Ready, get set, go!
Clean. Pastor Jerry. Tao, ayaw ka ba yan? English. Lay hands. Ilang words naman kasi. Ilang words naman kasi. Ilang words kasi.
Nandito lang yung word.
One word.
Tao ba to hayop? English. Or song. Praise and worship.
Presence.
Sounds like. Gumawa sounds like.
Acting mo kasi!
Napuspos.
Pastor Jerry.
Napuspos.
Pastor Jerry.
Diyan pa lang.
Napuspos. English naman napuspos.
Sana.
Conviction.
Ano bang mga ginagawa doon? Ano bang mga ginagawa doon?
Hambol! Pastor Jerry! One word!
Bless?
Christmas.
Uy, ako naman.
Uy, ninyo, walang mahinhin, di ba?
May voice eh.
Prayer. Holy Spirit.
Ay,
Ang galing mo naman.
ay, sino ba? Uy, sandali na! Ay. Pastor Jerry! Pastor Anthony! Pastor Jerry!
Kuya Jadja!
Bakit kubo?
Life group.
Hindi, kayo dalawa lang, Kevin? English.
Ilang words?
Two in a house?
Two words.
Two words.
Church.
First word.
Christmas party.
Kayo dalawa. Kayo lahat. Christmas party.
Convergence.
Christmas party.
Ikaw, siya, tayo. Agita mo! Kahit pamintuan. First word kayo. Tapos second word, bahay. Tent. Ano? Sorry.
Church. House of God.
Youth! Tayo! Youth!
Ay, isang salamin. Mali. Bakit kami stock nito?
Harry Potter!
Harry Potter daw.
Uy, kami naman.
Para na naman kasi.
Okay ni Patrick.
Ano yun?
Hamboy.
Chosen.
Sam. One way. Hindi na nila. Chosen generation. Get up. Ano yun?
Miss, huwag kayong
Pastor Jerry.
Toms!
Kuya Zay.
Ginagawa?
Present?
Nagpipray?
Princess.
Nagpipray?
Intercessor.
Intercession? English to?
Quiet time. Di ba siya?
Unggoy? Pastor Anthony, Pastor Anthony, Pastor William, Pastor Jerry, Pastor Lou, Pastor Daga, Pastor Erika,
Pastor Jerry!
Pastor Jerry, Pastor William, Pastor Jerry, Pastor Jerry,
Don't watch!
Pastor Jerry, don't watch. Tao,
Pastor Jerry!
Ma'am Lea.